Hi guys, now I'm going to show unboxing of the oscillator, of the Fuji oscillator that I'm going to use to make a jammer, a Fuji jammer. You can also use this oscillator or 3D oscillator for doing your own jammer. That has been shown by the ET Discover channel in the making of a jammer. It is a 3D jammer that was made by the ET Discover channel, but they do not clearly about the oscillator. You buy the original oscillator from that I have it. It's delivered by FedEx.com. But and see how they have delivered. Yeah, I'll give a link if you wanna buy the oscillator. So it came in a nice packing. Though too small, but it came in a good packing. There's the account. Everybody notices. Yeah. Why I keep on? Yeah, this is the oscillator. 3 beat. The characters written on this are C7S1, C7S17, 3B3, 8M1920. This is the 8M1920 that which the ET Discover channel said P1930 oscillator. This is the one. I'll provide the link in the description. Thank you for watching.